A student in 2026 is often forced to rely on 19th century rote memorization and manual note-taking. They are operating in a high-tech world while collapsing under the weight of outdated manual labor. This reliance on traditional methodology results in a severe loss of personal time. The hours spent on mechanical tasks lead directly to profound emotional exhaustion and a sense of missing one's own youth. Academic burnout is rarely a personal failure of the student. It is the natural result of a system failing to adapt to modern information density. True success now requires a shift toward technological leverage. By moving away from manual data processing, education transforms from a mental burden into a manageable intellectual asset. Massive academic texts remain a primary source of anxiety. Facing hundreds of pages of dense, impenetrable PDFs creates a state of reading fatigue before the first page is even finished. Humata AI serves as a technological shield against this information overload, providing a way to navigate massive documents without the associated exhaustion. The tool digests massive documents instantly. It scans the text and isolates key concepts into a network of interconnected data points. You can then interact directly with these nodes, turning a one-way reading task into a two-way query to extract specific ideas. Transforming long documents into digestible summaries eliminates the fear of a heavy reading list. The student becomes an active interrogator of information rather than a passive consumer of text. Anxiety also stems from the pressure to produce. The mechanical labor of formatting a presentation often consumes the energy that should be reserved for actual intellectual research. Gamma AI functions as an automated design engine to eliminate this formatting fatigue. By providing a single conceptual prompt, the AI autonomously constructs the visual narrative, generating a complete set of formatted slides. This tool separates intellectual creation from aesthetic labor. Mental energy is spent entirely on the strength of the argument rather than the layout of the slides. The most debilitating hurdle is often execution paralysis, the fear of starting an impossibly large project that feels too heavy to move. Goblin.tools provides a strategic framework designed to dismantle this executive dysfunction at the source. Using the concept of chunking, the AI shatters the massive project mandate into a series of microscopic, actionable tasks. Because these microtasks are simple enough to complete in minutes, they bypass the brain's stress response and make the project feel achievable. Destroying the illusion of the impossible project removes the emotional friction that causes procrastination, guaranteeing immediate forward momentum. Integrating these three threes establishes a baseline of maximum intellectual efficiency. The role of the student is changing. Success now requires moving beyond manual data processing to become the executive director of your own education. The outdated paradigm of romanticizing academic struggle is being replaced by the necessity of strategic effort. Share this methodology with those who are still struggling with manual workflows, and subscribe to continue breaking down the systems of the modern world. Artificial intelligence removes the mechanical barriers to learning, permanently liberating your time and your mental peace.